Hello everyone and welcome to the Mary Kay US YouTube channel. My name is Christina Reed, Senior Manager of Salesforce Education at Mary Kay, and I'm so excited that you're watching. Today, you'll hear from two amazing independent Salesforce leaders who will share their Mary Kay journeys and why they love their Mary Kay businesses. Let's hear from our first guest. She is Independent Elite Executive Senior Sales Director, Tiqkia Barrow.
Hello and welcome. My name is Tiqkia Barrow. I'm a proud United States Army veteran and educator by trade. I started my Mary Kay business simply because I love the products and I was looking to earn a little extra cash for gas. The 50% profit potential was a big reason why I decided to join Mary Kay back in 2014. I was a single mother, full-time school teacher, and serving as the women and youth minister at a local family church 4 days a week, all at the same time. With the prodding and begging of my then 9-year-old daughter to become a Mary Kay beauty consultant, I solely worked my business 2 hours on a Saturday and was able to earn some extra money selling products to friends, family, and coworkers. Within my first 3 months, 3 of my friends wanted to join Mary Kay, so they joined my team. And after my first year as a beauty consultant, I became a Mary Kay independent sales director, leading my own unit. During the next year and a half, I assisted my father with caring for my mother, who was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer at the young age of 54. Because of the flexibility that this business offers, I was able to be with my parents as much as I needed to be during those difficult times. With the loss of my mother 10 months later and my 13-year-old's battle with depression and suicidal ideation, I continued to work my Mary Kay business and was able to stop teaching for a short while so that I could spend more time with my daughter when she needed me most. Beyond the rewards and recognition I've earned throughout my Mary Kay journey, I'm beyond grateful for the freedom and flexibility that my business has afforded me. You see, money doesn't give you happiness, but it does give you choices. My Mary Kay business has given me the choice and the opportunity to get my daughter the help that she needed. That 13-year-old I talked about is the same 9-year-old that talked me into simply trying Mary Kay back in 2014. She is now an early graduate of high school and an accomplished 17-year-old sophomore OBGYN student at a local university. By watching me persevere and push through towards my goals, despite what life threw at me, it ultimately taught my daughter how to pull herself up by her bootstraps and not throw in the towel on life or her dreams. Remember, more is caught than taught. So what do your daily decisions teach your children or those closest to you? My Mary Kay business is currently allowing me to give back in my local community, and my daughter is a big part of that. The thing I love most about my business is that it allows me to work my business on my own schedule as it fits into my productive life. I was able to fit a Mary Kay business into my then busy life, working a full-time job while serving my community 4 days a week as a single mother. And now I fit my Mary Kay business into my life as an educator and a pastor's wife. I've worked my business holding selling appointments in person a few hours a week, as well as virtually through virtual appointments or through social media platforms once or twice a week. Let's get real. Our world has changed, and with those changes come more options for how to work a Mary Kay business. For example, Mary Kay has several apps designed to help you reach your customers where they are. The Mary Kay app makes shopping for beauty products incredibly convenient, as your customers can connect with and order from you on their own devices. The Skin Analyzer app acts like a digital skincare assistant and scans the skin to provide personalized Mary Kay skincare recommendations. And the Mirror Me app is a virtual makeover app that uses augmented reality to try color products on the face in real time, allowing the user to move naturally and view makeup in a lifelike setting, just to name a few. No matter your comfort level with technology, you'll find these apps so easy to use, and their professional presentation positions you as a beauty pro. As I mentioned earlier, one of the reasons I started my Mary Kay business was because I simply love the products and still do. There's always something wonderful and new to offer my customers. Watch this next video to see what I mean.
With the uniquely Hue Makeover Contest, you can express your originality and win an exclusive beauty masterclass hosted by professional makeup artist Jaleesa Jaikaran, plus a basket of Mary Kay favorites and a cash prize. First, contact your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant to let her help you create your own look using the limited edition Mary Kay Warm Hues eyeshadow palette or Mary Kay Chroma Fusion eyeshadow. Then, submit a photo of yourself wearing your new look to marykay.com/uniquely Hue Contest, along with a caption that explains why your new look is uniquely you. If chosen, you could win $1,000 cash, a basket of Mary Kay favorites, and a shared virtual beauty masterclass for you and up to 10 of your friends. 10 honorable mentions win $500 and a basket of Mary Kay favorites. So reach out to your independent beauty consultant today and discover your uniquely Hue look.
Thank you so much, Tiqkia, for sharing your story and how Mary Kay just fits into your life. And I hope you all got excited about the Uniquely Hue Makeover Contest that is going on right now through September 30th. Reach out to your independent beauty consultant today for all the details on how to enter and let her help you discover your signature look. Now it's time to hear from our next speaker, the amazing Independent National Sales Director, Jan Thetford.
Hi, my name is Jan Thetford, and I'm honored to say I'm an Independent National Sales Director with Mary Kay. 41 years ago, as a recent college grad and a newlywed of 6 months, I was introduced to the opportunity of starting a Mary Kay business as an independent beauty consultant. My friend Kathy from church had recently started her business, and she was so excited for me to look at all the materials. I'm embarrassed to let you know today that I was not impressed, and actually I felt offended that she would ask me to sell cosmetics when I had a college degree. However, she was my friend, so I agreed to sit down with her and learn more about the opportunities available. And as I listened to Kathy talk about the company, I could tell that she was passionate about what Mary Kay stood for as a woman, along with the culture that Mary Kay Ash was building in her company. And that really intrigued me. Reluctantly, I decided to give it a try. Truthfully, I wasn't loving my job at the time, which was in my degree field that I was boastful of earlier. I told my husband of 6 months what I was thinking, and he said to me, "Okay, you can do this, just don't bug our friends." Isn't that what most of us don't want to do, is bug our friends? When I started my business 42 years ago, we had landline telephones and bound paper phone books. The internet didn't exist, and business was conducted differently than it is today. However, the culture that I mentioned that impressed me is stronger than ever. Although Mary Kay Ash is no longer alive on this earth, many of the principles she taught us are still alive and well. One specifically that comes to mind is everyone has a sign around their neck that says, "Make me feel important." As independent beauty consultants and sales directors, we strive to do that every day. We have the opportunity through a tube of lipstick to build healthy, lifelong relationships. As for my 42 years, you'll be interested to know that I've watched Mary Kay evolve in incredible product development, embrace technology at a very high level, provide terrific education to all independent Salesforce members, thrive as a company during the pandemic, all while keeping those other focused relationships intact. Personally, I've worked my Mary Kay business as a newlywed, a young woman with fertility issues, I had 7 miscarriages, a mom of 2 babies, a crazy mother of 2 middle school students, carting them everywhere, a mom of 2 busy, involved high school students with all of the sports and tournaments, and a mother of college kids who went on to marry. And now I work my Mary Kay business as Grand Jan. Those little people are my favorite. Has every day been wonderful? Of course not. Have I grown through each season of my life? Yes. Through my involvement with my business and the mentors it's provided me all along the way, I've learned so much about time, money, and attitude management. Actually, life management. I've been privileged with the work I've chosen to do. I can honestly say that while all of that has been fun and rewarding, the person that I've become in the process is what I'm most proud of. In closing, I want you to answer this quick question and write down your answer. I want you to pick either A, B, or C. Could this opportunity fit into your life? A means absolutely, I'm interested, and with your help, I'm willing to try. B means book me for a second appointment. I got some questions and I would love to talk more. C means could be for me down the road. Until then, I would love to be your customer. If you are all in and want to start a Mary Kay business right now, Mary Kay has flexible startup options that fit your needs. You can choose the Mary Kay Starter Kit or start your Mary Kay business digitally with the Mary Kay eStart. And you have the option to add a powerful sample pack. That choice is yours. If you want to learn more about these options, click the link in the description below. If you think Mary Kay is for you, please reach out to your independent beauty consultant who invited you here today for more information and click the links below to learn more about the Mary Kay opportunity. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.